Hello, our lovely people. How are you doing, each and everybody? I hope you are doing well. By God's grace, we are okay here in countryside, Kisii. So, I'm going to show you my mother-in-law is preparing finger millet. Finger millet, we are going to go to the grain for porridge. So they have. So it's here. Let me show you. So mom, first introduce yourself. Say your name and say hi and good.
Hi. My name is Beatrice Kwamboka Onkopa.
Wow.
My husband is Onkopa. Now we're going to prepare this wimbi.
Yeah.
For porridge.
We call it finger millet.
For porridge.
For porridge. This one is good. For us in Uganda, we karanga. Mom, we can fry it small, then you dry. You will see.
Huh?
Wallah. Let me tell you something. In Uganda, for us, sorghum and finger millet, we fry it a little bit, like a meringue. So let's do it now.
You put the water?
No, you just fry it small. It smells well. After smelling well, you dry it. After dry it, you take it in the dry. Do what I'm saying. Wallah.
Are you hearing what he's saying?
Yes. We karanga like this, like a meringue. You put in the sefuria, you do like this. There's a smell will bring, like you are frying peanuts. So after finish, it become like that. Put where you are going to dry. You finish dry, take it to machine grind. They grind and you come. I'm telling you, I will bring for you. You will see the porridge for Uganda, the wimbi one. Oh my God. It's very tasty. It's tasty, it's not a joke.
Do this now.
Do for you? We have a big sefuria, so we bring a big sefuria. Matoke, when it's finished, I am cooking some matoke here, guys. This is my sister-in-law is carrying the... What are you carrying? Your nephew? Or your... What do you call it? Your brother's child? It's called your niece. Not your niece. It's no. The Eliane called this one aunt. So yeah, for you, yes, it's your... I don't know how you say it. So Eliane also an aunt. So I'm cooking here for food for Valentine and Eliana matoke. There I just put it stream onions and tomato and water. I put small cooking oil because I cannot show you because I'm carrying the child. Mom, I want to Eliana to be in Gongo so that to be here, my back all the time, so that he be used. Yes. So we are going to fry this one. I want you to have a taste. Yes. Every day like this, I will show you.
No.
Yes, we have a big sefuria. Our sister surprised us with the sefuria. This is a finger millet. So, Mom, this one you did. You don't have cassava, sir?
I'm going to buy.
Where? In the Mukonjo. Oh, you mix it with the cassava, then you take it, become for porridge. Even you can make ugali.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go with buy. We shall go with you. I will hotspot you there when you are going. We record.
Yes.
Yeah.
Eliana.
Yeah, I don't want
What
that
is
one
this?
you are giving me, Elia.
What is this? Eliana, look here.
That finger millet. I'm going to do now. When matoke finish, I fry very well. I want Mom to taste the porridge for Uganda. Because when we fry, then we get it cold. Then we buy cassava, we put in this bucket, we go to Shaga. Hey, my mother will tell you the taste. There's so many things Uganda we have where Kenya they don't do. And there's so many things Kenya they have where Uganda we don't do. So, but everybody will show. They show me also I show them. So, Eliana, Have you tested? Mommy, when I will go Uganda, I will come with nuts. I will come with the porridge for cassava. Just when I cook for you, I put milk, you drink, you tell me.
Cassava only?
No, some like this one. They put cassava, you drink, I cook for you porridge. Wallah, you will say nothing.
With milk?
Milk, I will put milk.
Fresh?
You drink. That one you will see, you will become very, very beautiful. Hey, yeah, that is very nice. Now, Eliana, how will we work, guys? See? Okay, we are here with my mom. He's going to bring a sefuria. Mom, today you look like you are sick. Your energy is very small.
Why?
So let me show you guys. Mom is today is feeling, don't know how they say, very weak. This is matoke I'm boiling for Eliana and Valentine. And Eliana wake up, we shower, he eat the food. I'm going to put in the hot pot. This one, they will be there soft, he will eat. Yeah. Okay. So mom have brought this one. Mommy, you promised me that you will do what? You will wash. You will wash. I told you. You see, Singa, that time we need the steel wire. Inside there, I need the steel. So then when we go Mkonjoro, I will buy for you steel and this one for washing utensils. So, Singa, that time we use the mud. This mud. Singa, right now we just outside. It become new. Yeah. Me, I have my big one like this. It's new. But always I cook, I put smoke. But you promise me, you will say, I will wash.
But who told you?
People, even you can use a hash. Yeah, you put hash and cooking oil. You remove. When you finish to cooking, you wash your saucepan and become new. You like black, mom?
No.
So you promise me, I will wash. But
this one here.
No. Once we put it, the safari become hot. We put it there. Let me remove this matoke. Hold it for me, ma. I remove this matoke. And I think I squeeze a little bit of Which one? Oh, this one.
Even that one. That one.
This one?
Yes.
I will wash, then I show you how you put soil. Once you put soil, you will see the recipe become new. Yes, I'm recording. You will see, mom. It will be easier for you to do like this.
Okay.
Yeah. I grow up seeing when they are doing. So
you know things.
I know, I'm an African woman. I'm not a Zungu. Then we do. Either you can use a kniveling stick. Either you can use this one. What's make you happy? What you use? Slide.
Like this.
Okay. We are working. Yes, we fry. You'll hear the smell.
We use this one.
We use this one to fry.
What about
This one?
that one for cooking?
Try, you see, if you will be comfortable. It's okay?
Yes.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah, it's okay.
Wow.
We mix cassava.
If you have cassava, you put inside, you mix, but now you don't have.
What about the?
It's a very so you just make like that.
What about the? Maize.
Maize, you know? No. The saucepan is not hot.
Okay.
Oh, Valentine. Valentine, how are you? Say hi. How are you guys?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Okay. So Valentine is here. Let me put the nini. It's starting to become hot, ma?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, let it become hot, it starts smelling. Your chair was burning.
Yes.
What happened?
Which day?
You have battery battery.
Ah, Mom.
When they put the iron sheet there at night.
They forget.
She forgot. I need to make for her another thing. You have timber.
Again, they can start eating, you know. This for baby. Annie, again, they can start eating.
Say hello.
Eat what?
Say hello.
Now you are frying the...
Hello.
Oh my God.
Hello.
Hello.
Mom, have you ever seen this?
I've never seen. This is the
Wonder-
first time.
Wonders. Arian, are you think they are putting finger millet? Is this a finger millet or a sorghum?
We call it millet.
Millet. Danny, this is millet or a sorghum?
Finger millets. Millet.
You are not sure.
Porridge. You see this one, how it's going down? You can even help Mom to.
Why do you fry?
They smell good.
After frying? The porridge will smell well.
Well, you hear, smell here, you see?
Mm.
You see? Mom smell.
They added the smell.
Yeah?
But it's ready now?
No, it's not ready. The fire would
You cook
We fry like mbelenge. Gina is how they fry.
and they will...
Start smelling. Then we remove them.
Hello?
And you know this one where we get it? There.
Oh, here.
You fry very good. You can even scratch it yourself. You cannot be like
Hello.
this one.
How are you?
Come. Fry, you see, with when you are frying the cucumber.
What is this?
This is, we call it cucumber.
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 Which one?
That one for matoke.
This.
You see when you are frying?
Whereas we call it ricoma.
Very easy.
So here we have learned what we never learned before. I have never known this
Really?
in my life.
First time.
Because the fire is very small.
But you can add fiber. Yeah?
Fire with this.
Add?
It's there, but
Add more.
there's a cup behind you, darling. Is lighting. It's lighting, darling.
It's very small.
Eliana is joking. Look at this one. This long time where we used to do this one. Orte. This one. For us we call it orte. This one. You put a cow dung. You call it what?
Okay.
Ah, orte.
How many you brought? My brother. You could have put separate instead of putting together.
They can show.
How do you know?
They're here.
There's a space there.
These three. You have brought
A
three.
little space there.
There you have brought that one 4.
Yeah.
I can
they are
see there.
same. They can be feasible.
Even that one they have muddy this one.
You know this one, if you don't bring them now, it will be stressful when you are putting
In the house, eh?
iron sheets. These are for iron sheets.
Oh.
They need to dry first.
Okay. But after you will get somewhere to put them, not down like this. What is
So
okay?
by now they are just bringing.
When after?
We will create a space. There are some timbers we need to cut. Like this one.
Mm.
Let me tell him.
Mm.
Hey, bro.
Weka nini hii? Sana kidogo. Pia mkupea nini kwa sisi? Eh? Let me come.
He's coming. You called her?
And the mommy called him. That her first I sitting a meeting.
Eliana, don't touch. It's very hot. Arr. Let us go out. We see what they are doing. Okay then. Mommy reduced the firewood.
How is now?
Mommy reduced the firewood. It's okay?
Mom, you see how it changed colors? Huh? It changed the color. It was not like this. It became brown.
Ah.
Yes.
They keep on changing
I
color.
think some different. That's what I wanted.
The smell.
Drink. Eat. Yes. She want another one.
She want to go to Star Valentine.
She has not finished for
Sit down.
herself. Be careful. You ferment. Hey, the body is very nice. This one. Yes, this one. This one. Eat. Eliana, eat. Eliana. This one. Umemaliza. Not like that. Here. Here, this one.
You are starting.
Yeah, I want that to eat. She want to take a plate.
Give her. She play around.
Clean.
Give her. She learn how to eat.
She will not learn. She want to take a plate.
That's how they do.
But she's rotating. Look. She was eating first.
Unamaliza?
Take.
Vale. Unamaliza? Shikanisha wala.
You want that to show? Alright, wash hands.
First wash her hand, leg, Give it a She can shower.
Shower is there.
The
water is cold.
No, I have warm water here. Vala, you finish eating?
Okay.
Put her down.
Down again.
Now, where are you going to put her?
You said that.
Let me remove with that canning. Darling, now where are you taking my chair? So let me clean there.
Yeah.
But the mousey.
Give me still.
Beshin.
Today you have made. You want also to touch.
Let me put the water there. She shower now. Before the rain come.
Okay. okay now. Okay? Diana. Nandi, you have not washed. Ah. Are you Valentine? Valentine, you can wash. Wash hands.
It's your grandchild. Your grandchild is ready. You have a grandchild in this age. The shoes for Vala.
Asha.
Mommy, we return it.
Asha, me.
We return it. So, hey. They have unakula yote banana you finish.
Umemaliza?
Yes.
Let's complain.
Yes. Yes.
Ujaosha miguu. Unajua kuosha? Unajua? Wapi viatu yako? Ando ulete viatu.
The shoes is here. The shoes for Valentine. Valentine, kuja utoe viatu. Come and remove. Here. Vale iko hapa.
Good. Yana is looking, wondering what's in.
Okay. We thank God that Mommy have it here. We thank God. I'm going to cook cake here, Mom. I want to cook for you cake.
You have 2 of them.
I have 2 of them.
So
I'm going just in town. They make for me the cover, you know.
That one you told.
Yes, we put fire outside there. We make a bread. You're not going to start buying bread now. We are the one going to make ourselves bread. We just wait now. This coming season, Patrick is here. Bread, this one, that one. We are going to eat. It's going to be Christmas.
Yeah.
Diana, look here.
Iriana likes comfortable life. You know this one, they are cold. They are cool. Not cold.
Do this.
These branches of bananas.
Good. Diana.
Are you okay, Diana? Yeah. Which one? Is it ready now? I can feel the smell. Onions, you said? How much? For this one is like how much? Ni kama ngapi?
Ni kama 250.
Hii yote?
Utungue bilanga.
Oh. 150.
Ah.
Wanifika utem.
200.
Okay, too much.
Amanyanya batata mama ko chinsa ko bunji chi chamanya. Acha ko kubon ko ora mo.
Mano ta ko kurugura.
Ngote kita manyanya boni. Hello.
Tell me by yourself. You will hear in the machine is smelling all over.
Who is calling you?
There's no electricity.
Oh.
You know this
But
one,
even now it's smelling.
Mommy used to have this one like this.
I don't have.
You used to have, long
To
time.
have. No. My mother was.
My brother is around.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
They talk. That's small and you smell it, you see.
No, it is hard already. It's what?
It's smelling already.
Yeah, it's smelling already.
It touch.
Smelling for what?
I go there in this. But I would in this.
You want to fetch? But fire would you see?
I know what you want.
So these timbers, we need to arrange them well. The reason to why we brought them, we want them to dry. By now, even if this one is stopping, still they are cutting the timbers. We put them here. This is the way we are going to arrange them. So my uncle said is coming, the one who is cutting is coming to show us how to arrange. Because he has been doing this for a long time. You know? So like this one, it was a mistake. It cuts itself. So when they put them like this without cutting up to the end, they remain straight. You see? Now it needs something to hold it well. You know? Exactly. This one is strong. Okay. So this is flour for chicken. It's called growers.
Yeah.
Growers. Chickmas.
Starter.
Starter. Is for?
So this is a small chicken.
It's small. What about chickmas? It's the same.
It is the same, but this one is more powerful.
It's more healthier.
Healthy.
Okay. You see, it's different. But these are a bigger pig. They eat?
They eat and they grow fast.
But here daddy buy for chicken every time food. I never seen people in the village they buy food for chicken.
They mix sometimes with maize. It's him.
You are the one doing.
And they gives them after giving them. Maybe even the chicken they are not for him.
Okay.
For some, for my sister. Ilan, say hi. Say how are you? Elena is there. The mother is here doing some cleaning, thorough cleaning. Washing clothes for Eliana, for herself, for me.
You see how I'm making you clean.
Alongside.
Look at the gene.
Huh? I'm
You
very
need
clean.
to say thank you, my wife, for making me clean.
Thank you, my wife, for ensuring I'm clean. I see besides you, you have a
Chicken.
white chicken. You are shining together.
Yes.
Irena is coming. Irena, why are you not coming? Irena. Irena, come. Irena, there is something somebody is looking at. Okay. Kumbe alikuwa na rafiki hapo. There was somebody there near. That's why she's looking. Look the way she's looking. Irena. Irena doesn't want to come near.
Father, you can put mkeka, you can keep.
Yeah, if you have. But mkeka for what? There is clean. We put mkeka where it's not clean. Yeah, so beautiful environment. This is the environment where Brenda is by now.
This
Very
how
good.
always I wash clothes with the hand. And I make them clean.
Yeah. She cannot run away.
Chicken don't. It's a new chicken.
Let us see. How are you? How are you? He's not running too much. She doesn't want water. She could have gone to drink. Elena, what is that? Sugarcane? Then sugarcane? Sugarcane? You are giving me? Give me.
Sema asante Mungu wetu. Wash. You came to wash. Need to go to buy another home.
Look what she's doing.
Is doing well.
You want to put them out there?
Eliana, see.
Down there.
No, here no conjuratewe.
Have you put that on over?
This one they have in them.
You clean. You wanted to clean.
Ario.
Eliana is putting it like she wants to. Look at
To
them out.
eat.
There is a spirit. I knew it. Just to them out direct.
Guys, we are doing laundry here in the village, countryside, Kenya.
So Eliana, wash clothes. Wash. Eliana today, she was crying too much to be near mommy. Now she's near mommy. Let us see. I know that one is to them out direct. If I'm not wrong. You see?
We show you Pepe.
I knew. Eliana, you are not helping.
He's eating sabun.
Eliana, you are not helping. Huh? Children.